Welcome to the library instruction session for English 101. My name is Eileen Rhodes, and I'm the Director of Library Services at Capital Community College. I'll begin with a brief word on why we recommend a library database for your research instead of an internet search engine like Google. The remainder of this session will be dedicated to helping you find articles for your research assignment using two of the library's databases, Academic Search Premier and Opposing Viewpoints in Context. So why do we use library databases instead of searching the internet with Google, Bing, or Yahoo? The library databases give you direct access to the articles and information you need to complete college-level assignments without the hassle of paywalls or subscription fees. The sources are pre-screened and the publications adhere to peer review or editorial standards, so you can be assured that the content you see is credible. This will save you time and energy. You won't have to verify if each information source in your search results is credible, up-to-date, and free of bias as you would when using an internet search engine. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to find articles using Academic Search Premier and Opposing Viewpoints. We'll begin by going to the library's website. Follow the library link at the top of the Capital Community College homepage at capitalcc.edu. Just a quick side note that if you need help with the databases or have any research-related questions, you can chat live with a librarian by clicking on the chat bubble icon on the right portion of the library's home screen. If the chat is offline, or you would prefer to email your question, you can email us at ca-libraryresearchhelp@ccc.comnet.edu. You can also text us at 860-735-3662. Let's get started with the Academic Search Premier database. From the library's webpage, select the Find Articles tab. Scroll down to the General Knowledge Databases located in the left column. Select the Academic Search Premier database. If you are accessing the databases from off-campus, you'll need to log in using your banner ID at student.comnet.edu and password. This is the search screen for the Academic Search Premier database. Begin by entering your keywords in the search field separated by the word "and." For example, to search for the topic of gun control and the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution, enter gun control and Second Amendment. And click Search. The database will list all of the articles it has containing both of those terms. Unfortunately, there are over 2,000 articles. That's too many to look at. We'll need to limit our results. To focus the search, use the limiters located in the left-hand column of the search screen. Start by limiting the results by date. Look in the left column under Limit To and use the slider to narrow the results to the last 5 years. That's better. However, there are still over 700 articles to review. Let's narrow it down further. Another way to focus our results is to add another keyword. To do this, add the word "and" to our search terms gun control and Second Amendment and add a third keyword. Example, gun control and Second Amendment and Supreme Court. This brings our search results down to 276. You can also narrow your results by limiting them by source type. Let's go back to the left-hand column. Examples of sources are academic journals, magazines, newspapers, reviews, and trade publications. The type of source you use will depend on what subject or class you are taking and the requirements of the assignment. Now we'll look at a single article in detail. Click on the title of the article to view the article information page. This page has information such as the author or authors, name of the source where the article was published, and an abstract or summary of the article. The abstract will give you an idea if the article is relevant or useful to your research. To view the article itself, look in the left column for links to the PDF full text or HTML full text versions of the article. The HTML version can also be viewed by scrolling further down the page. Either version will provide you with the complete text of the article, but there are key differences between the two. For example, the PDF version of an article includes any images and charts included in that article. The PDF version is the article how it was originally published. Articles in the HTML format can be translated into the language of your choice or read aloud using the database's listen function. Next, I want to bring your attention to the tools available in the right column. You have the option of printing the article, emailing a copy to yourself, or saving it to your Google Drive. You can also view the citation of the article. Click on the Cite icon, and then scroll through to find the citation style you are using. For English 101, you will be using MLA. You can copy and paste the citation directly into your works cited page, but there are a couple of things to note. First, it's a good idea to verify that the citation is formatted correctly. The database gets it right most of the time, but not always. You can refer to the library's Citing Sources page for examples of APA and MLA citation. Second, pay attention to how the citation is indented, as this can get lost when copying and pasting into a Word document.